They're horrible looking. 2 more coats and it should be good to go. Uh-oh, there's no switch.
And this seat is worst condition I've ever seen. Put the safety goggles on.
How many hours did we suffer? Hello people, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be working on the Audi RS6 seats. We bought them a couple of months ago and they were just sitting around. They're fairly tired, they were resprayed before. They're horrible looking. But today we're gonna strip all the plastics and sand the leather down, get the leather resprayed, get the plastics resprayed, get the rails clean, and we hope they're gonna turn out very well. First step is gonna be removing all the plastics because someone has resprayed them before and it's horrible looking. So same as on this one. We hope you're gonna enjoy the process. After how many hours, Sash? How many hours did we suffer to take these seats apart? You tell me now. So yeah, after a lot of hassle, a lot of small screws that were holding this plastics, they're all removed, except this. They're held by a rivet. We are not bothered doing that. Oh, what are we doing with this, Sash? Yeah. That's plastic. Yeah, they have to fucking paint that somehow. Way out how to remove that. Plastics are stripped. Clean all this mess. We're gonna... Jesus. Yeah, clean all that. Clean the leather. And we start sanding it. So, uh-oh, there's no switch. There is? There is. Mm-hmm. Oof. Put the face cover.
Put the safety goggles on. wait, where do I leave my safety goggles? There they are.
There they are.
Okay, so I filled up these creases with the filler. These are not too deep, so I won't be able to put any filler in it. Now I'm gonna start working on this seat, and this seat is worst condition I've ever seen. So we're gonna start doing that. Okay, so this is how we do it. We put a little bit filler on the spatula and just drag it slowly over it. Just filling everything basically, it's the same way. So later, most of the cracks won't be visible anymore.
I have filled most of the creases. These seats are very old. They're, I think, from 2002. There's a lot of these creases and cracks and stuff, so we're not gonna bother covering everything. Most of them you can see all this white stuff. That's the filler. We're gonna wait for it to dry, sand the seats one more time. They're ready for paint. When Sasha will be painting the seats, you'll see the time lapse of that. I'll be preparing plastics for painting as well. As you see, someone was lazy enough to remove all the buttons, so out of this one they were all painted white as well. I had to come up with a solution, so that's how it was before and this is after. Obviously I'm gonna primer and paint them black again, but the method I use is a wire brush. Gently scrub. Very slow process. And there it is. Bit more, but yeah, It's all black now again. I'm gonna continue sanding the rest of the plastic, painting everything black. The time lapse of painting the seats can start.
Paint match this color, caramel, 1 liter was for my seats. Black one, a little bit of brown, and I got the same color, so we're gonna start mixing it up more and start painting the seats. Okay, we think we got the final paint, so we're gonna see now, so we can show you as well. So if it disappears, that means it's the exact same color. Okay, so there we have it. Now we're gonna be spraying the seats.
One seat is almost done. We'll be doing the second one tomorrow. All the plastics, I have put 3 coats of primer, and this is a 3rd coat of a black paint. 2 more coats and it should be good to go. And it looks very nice. Painted. Still wet, but it's nice. So this is how they look before. This is them after. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments and check out our BMW Z3 restoration video. Until the next one. Ciao.